first thing we need to do to tune our guitars is to memorize the string names. So each one of these strings are named after the pitch or the note that they are supposed to be tuned to, and that's the note they create when we play them open. So the names of the strings are E, A, D, G, B, E. So a fun way to memorize that is to say, eat all day, get big, easy. That's eat all day, get big, easy. The second thing we need to do is use a tuner. It could look like this, or this, or this. Not this. Last thing we do is just tune lower or higher to get to the right pitch. If the pitch on my tuner is lower than the pitch I'm looking for, then I need to tune my tuning peg up to get to the right pitch. So if I've got a D on here and I know I'm looking for E, I just think about my alphabet. A, B, C, D, E. So I need to go up, right? So I've got a D sharp. Gotta keep going up. Not quite to E yet. There's an E, and then we want to get it right in the middle. So right around there. So we tuned up because our pitch was too low. And if the pitch on our tuner is too high, then we tune down to get to the right pitch that we're looking for. So if we're looking for A, and we see A or we see A sharp, we know we're a little too high because we want everything to be right in the middle, right? So we're going to tune down to get to the right pitch. Still a little sharp, a little high. And then you just get it just right. So we've got A. And you should end up with E, A, D, G,